Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today, in the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 11th, 2025, Sunday, January the 10th, 2025. In this weekend edition, we have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This one I will solve in a minute. And we have a Samurai Sudoku. Yes, the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. And in the weekend edition, we have a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6, well, 4 of them, 4 out of 6 I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will solve the Medium Sudoku. And for tomorrow, let me show you, we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4-star Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. But now, let me go to this Medium Sudoku. This one, Medium Sudoku number 9882. 9822. 882. Come on. Yeah. 9882. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. It should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Which number can I pick? Here we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1 6 and 3. Okay. Then let me see. I need a 4 here. I need a 3 there. Yeah, I need a 5 here. How about this? 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7. Should be there. Need a 6 there. 9, 4. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left with 9 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. Then 9, 9. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, no, need to place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places left of 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the fifth column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Then for the two missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Need an 8 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in the first column, so no 3 and 8 in these two boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4, 4, okay. 9, 9. How about the number 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column? So the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. I need 5 here. And I need a... Come on. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 last column, 7 in the column next, so that column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 here. In this row, we need a 7, 4 missing numbers. We need a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 7 should be there. 7. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, come on. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. We have a 3 here only. 2, 3, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, 3, 8, okay. 2, 7, 9. How about 7? Need a 7 here. How about the 6? 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Okay. 3 in the 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes and there. 1 box left now in the second row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. The 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above from that row. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Oh, we already have a 6 here. 3 and 6. 3 is missing. We have a 6. 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 2 goes there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.